This video shows you how to install a PBA639 or PBD659 closed column and bracket to the ICS weighing terminal. If the column is installed on the long side of the weighing platform, add 2 adapters to the lower segment of the column. Please refer to the table in the manual to find more information on adapters. Use a wrench and 2 M8 screws to fasten the lower segment of the column to the weighing platform. Screw in the leveling foot that is attached to the lower segment of the column. Adjust the foot by hand until it firmly touches the ground. For more information on leveling a bench scale, please watch the video, How to Easily Level the PBA639 and PBD659 Platform Without Tools. Making sure to reserve adequate cable to go between the column and the weighing platform. Route the load cell cable through the middle segment of the column. Please refer to the table in the manual to find more information about the cable length. Use a wrench, 2 washers and 2 M6 screws to fasten the middle segment to the lower segment. Here is another friendly reminder: reserve 300 mm cable length between the column and the weighing terminal. Fasten the top segment to the middle segment with 2 washers and 2 M6 screws. Seal the screw holes with 2 rubber plugs. Fasten the weighing terminal to the column with a washer and a M6 screw. Connect the load cell cable to the weighing terminal according to the manual provided with the weighing platform and terminal. Put on the load plate. Congratulations! The process is done.